Do you want to cut out a character but didn't use a green screen? Rotoscope brush. Hello and welcome to Clean Film. I'm sure that after filming the scene, you realized you should have used a green screen, but you didn't. Well, what probably comes to mind is to create a mask and animate it, frame by frame, tracing the mask. Well, now there's a solution for that with the Rotoscope brush shortcut. Was it like this? Well, After Effects has a tool that will solve most of the work for you, and that's the Rotoscope brush. You can easily find it here. To use it, select it and double-click on the layer where you want to use it. Basically, the Rotoscope brush works by detecting edges and creating an automatic mask as you move forward frame by frame. It's always better to make sure that the edges of the character you want to cut out don't blend in or get confused with the background. That way the Rotoscope brush will work better. What you need to do is paint over the character with the green tip. You select, and if you press Alt, the red tip appears, which you can use to erase. If you move forward one frame, the Rotoscope brush should automatically snap to the edges. If everything looks good, you can move on to the next frame, or you can even press the spacebar to play the video and let the brush automatically process all the edges. Then you can go back and see which frames have mistakes and fix them. I just forgot to mention that. And I'm saying it now because I just remembered. When you've finished with all the frames, you need to click this box that says Freeze. What this does is lock the Rotoscope brush so it doesn't get distorted, expand, or change. It gets locked. Now it's time to fix the edges. Here, I can't tell you exactly which parameters or what numbers to use for each parameter. But basically, with feathering, you soften the edge. With contrast, you make it more intense. With shift, you move it to one side or the other, and reducing instability perfects it a bit more. You have to keep trying and combining the levels of each parameter until you see that it looks right. If your character is moving, you can enable motion blur for smoother edges. And if you want to get an even sharper touch, you can activate the other box that will tell me what it is. Refine border colors. Refine border colors. Personally, I use the rotoscoping brush when I want to add something behind something else, but the shot has already been recorded. It's better to use this on short clips because the longer the rotoscoping brush effect lasts, the longer it will take to process. And that's it for today's video. Subscribe. It's quick. Today in the months. Very quick, I don't know. Here's a video that will definitely interest you if you want. If you have any questions.
Mother, what gave birth to you? And cut. That's where it's gonna stay. That's where it's gonna stay.